Welcome to Research Rocks. If you have Tesla car
Now I'm explaining best way to optimize battery durability. Absolutely, the battery is the main and very important parts of your Tesla or electronic vehicles. So think good care. It will keep your car on the road as a long time. So let's check it out.
Now, how to maximize battery life on your Tesla, no matter which type of Tesla you have. So simply press here the paddle option. Inside the paddle option, here several options are available, but one of the options are available here, safety. Inside the safety, one options coming here, sentry mode. If the sentry mode is on, it means entire camera is always 24/7 is on, and sometimes you purchase new car, that time all options are checking. If now all options are checked, so my entire Tesla car cameras are active 24/7 and the battery can't shut down of any of hours in 24 hours. So I prefer always, my car is, I always prefer park in my house and my company parking. So I prefer, I can off this one, just simply turning off the sentry mode. Sentry mode will be not enable you leave the car. So that point of view, I off sentry mode, and the range of my car almost like a 170 kilometers if I off sentry mode. So using these tips and tricks, you can maximize your range of Tesla Model 3 or Y or any other Tesla. It's easy. Hope you really like this video. So please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.